You land in Malaysia, look at a transit map, and immediately hit a wall of acronyms: LRT, MRT, KTM, ETS, ERL, KITS. But if you trace all those lines back to their source, they all converge on one massive hub, KL Sentral. It serves as the central nervous system for the country's entire rail infrastructure. The network is highly efficient, but it's also completely fractured. Taking a train 5 minutes across town requires an entirely different logic than taking a train 2 hours up the coast. If you try to apply typical urban transit logic, expecting to just tap your phone and walk onto any platform, you will likely miss trains, get stranded on holiday weekends, or be turned away at the boarding gate. To make sense of it, we need to divide the map into 3 distinct travel zones radiating out from KL Sentral: the airport route, city transit, and intercity travel. Each of these zones operates in its own silo, requiring specific ticketing apps, physical cards, and varying levels of setup. You have to match your specific route to its required tool. Figuring out exactly which of those 3 zones you are standing in is the only reliable way to bypass the administrative friction and actually get where you want to go. Let's start with your arrival, navigating from Kuala Lumpur International Airport, KLIA, straight into the city hub. For this route, you have the KLIA Ekspres. It is a premium, non-stop train that covers the distance to KL Sentral in under 30 minutes. The workflow here is entirely frictionless. You can skip the ticket counters and the vending machines completely by just tapping a standard Visa or MasterCard credit or debit card directly at the entry and exit gates. There is a separate service on the exact same tracks called the KLIA Transit, but it makes several commuter stops along the way, adding significant time to the journey. You pay a premium fare for the Express, but you are buying maximum time efficiency and zero administrative hassle after a long flight. For foreign travelers who haven't downloaded local apps or bought local transit cards yet, this airport transfer is the single true plug-and-play segment of the entire network. Once you are at KL Sentral and want to navigate the urban core, you enter the Rapid KL network, which includes the LRT, MRT, and Monorail. Tourists often default to buying individual plastic tokens at the station kiosks. Doing this with cash for every single ride guarantees you will spend a lot of your trip waiting in lines. To bypass those lines, you need to acquire a specific local tool, the physical touch-and-go card. Setting it up requires manual effort. You have to purchase the physical card and load it with an initial cash balance at a counter or specific kiosk, and you must actively keep an eye on your remaining funds as you travel. But putting in that effort up front pays off immediately. It allows you to tap in and tap out across all the different urban rail lines spontaneously, without ever stopping at a ticket machine again. Investing 5 minutes in that physical card is the prerequisite for moving through the city with zero friction. Finally, there is the third scenario: long-distance travel to regional hubs like Penang, the East Coast, or Ipoh. This segment of the network spans hundreds of miles and connects to grand colonial-era transit hubs built in the early 1900s, anchoring major regional cities. Today, these long routes are serviced by modern high-speed rail, primarily the KTM ETS, or electric train service. Booking a seat on the ETS introduces a major layer of complexity. You have to navigate the KTMB integrated ticketing system, known as KITS. The system is rigid. You must book a date and seat in advance, as routes frequently sell out. Every ticket is strictly tied to your identity. At the platform gates, a digital QR code is not enough. You must scan your physical passport. This is airline-style logistical rigidity. If you show up at the station hoping to spontaneously hop on a cross-country train like a city subway, you'll likely be left standing at the ticket counter with no options. To secure a comfortable, high-speed seat across the country, you must intentionally trade the flexibility of urban transit for strict administrative preparation. Ultimately, getting this right is about mapping your specific travel profile to the toolkit you actually need. First is the urban weekender, someone flying in for a few days, keeping their itinerary entirely within the Kuala Lumpur city limits. If that is you, ignore the complex acronyms. Rely exclusively on your contactless credit card for the airport transfer. Buy a single touch-and-go card at KL Sentral for your city transit, and you are fully equipped. Then there is the cross-country explorer, travelers heading out to other states. For you, the KITS app and your physical passport are non-negotiable requirements. You accept the administrative friction of booking your seat and logging your identity weeks in advance. In exchange, you bypass the unpredictable traffic and delays of intercity bus travel. KL Sentral serves as a border crossing between different styles of travel. Match your preparation to your destination, and the infrastructure handles the journey, while you focus on the scenery.